Right now, the push in Congress to provide more money for smaller police departments. Good afternoon and welcome to The Four. I'm Heather Myers.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. The Invest to Protect Act has support from both sides of the aisle. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal is live in National City with why departments say they really need this funding. Kelly.
Yeah, well, you want response times to be fast. You want police officers to be up on training, and all of that costs money at a time when departments say it's hard to recruit officers and also hard to hold on to the ones that they already have. Smaller departments across San Diego say they need help.
I hear from rank and file officers they're being expected to do more and more with fewer resources in many cases. We expect them to have things like cameras. We have to make sure those systems are funded. We expect them to be trained for de-escalation. We have to make sure that the departments have the appropriate funding to train in those areas.
And that was Congressman Mike Levin. We also heard from the Carlsbad Police Officers Association and the Peace Officers Resource Association of California, all on board with the Invest to Protect Act. Now, if passed, the legislation would authorize up to $50 million a year for smaller police departments across the country. So any department with fewer than 200 employees would qualify. So Carlsbad, Coronado, La Mesa, National City, those are departments that would qualify as well. And they could use the money for things like training, body cameras, and mental health resources. The money could also be used to recruit and retain officers. Right now, with the climate we're in, fewer officers are joining the force. And on top of that, again, some departments are having a hard time holding on to the officers they have. The president of the Carlsbad Police Association, Jim Willis, says because it's so expensive to live in San Diego, they're losing officers to cities like Murrieta.
We've also had officers that transfer out of state for cheaper cost of living. So we're hoping this component of the bill, for the retention part of it, will motivate officers to stay here.
And the retention part of the bill that he's referring to basically says if you stay here with this department for X number of years, you would get this particular bonus. Now, in case you're wondering what a starting salary is for a police officer in a city like Carlsbad, he told me it's anywhere from about $70,000 to $80,000. Heather and Carlo.
Where does this bill stand right now, Kelly? How far has it worked its way through Congress at this point?
Well, the bill is in committee right now, so there's still quite a ways before it would actually go up for a vote. But Congressman Levin says he's asking House leadership to fast-track this bill. He points out that what's unique about this right now is that they have support from both Democrats and Republicans.
Keeping our police seems to be a popular idea for a lot of cities. Kelly Hessedal reporting live. Thanks for us, Kelly.